This little light, I'ma let it shine. Alright.
Shalom, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be bringing this lazy boy back to life. As you can see, it's a lot of wear and tear on it, along with cat scratches, and I just felt like my husband, this is his favorite chair, and I thought it would just be right to bring it back to life. So first things first, I'm going to take some kiwi shoe polish. And mind you guys, this was an experimental DIY. And, you know, knowing that, like, it's leather, I thought of, like, putting a Sharpie down. I thought of many things that I could do to fill in, like, as you see, the cracks and the peeling of the leather. But I felt like this right here was, like, the best thing to do, being it's meant for this material.
Thank you, Father. From the bottom of my heart, I don't know where I would be without you keeping me. All the money in the world couldn't fix me. Honestly, had no peace before you healed me. I couldn't see. 400 years of slavery, all we went through. Deuteronomy 28 explains what we went through, all we was put through.
What you see me doing here now is trying to just get in every crevice, get in every peeling area and trying to blend and make it one color. I used about 1.5 to 2 bottles of shoe polish. I got them from a BB's market outlet for 2 for $1. I know that that's not the original price. I will put in the description box below a link to Amazon.
How dare I keep this to myself, knowing that he has all the help. I tried to stand on my own, knowing I can't do it all alone. How could I try to live without you? You are the reason I'm here today. Thank you for what you have done for me. You saved me, 'cause without you would not be no me. You set me free. Oh, Father.
So this right here is the key ingredient that brought this chair back to life. This is Podge, a gloss luster sealant. So what I did with this is, after waiting 20 minutes for the shoe polish to dry, I used the empty shoe polish bottle to spread this mod around and just give it a thin layer on the seat. And when I tell y'all, this was such, like, it was like an experimental thing, because I didn't even think, I brought this mod for another DIY that I was going to do as far as pictures was concerned. And I'm like, I wonder what would happen if I put this on there.
Oh, Abba.
So here's a quick view of the chair now. I did not touch anything at the bottom. I did apply mod and shoe polish to the seat section, but this was the main part for me. This area got so much wear, it to the point like the leather was coming off. So as you can tell, I did go over this with some shoe polish, but not the mod. I am going to apply the mod to this specific area only, and I'm going to apply it a certain way that'll create an illusion of leather. So I'm going to apply that, and you'll see in the next clip how I do that. And as you can see here, I'm just blotching the mod into the fabric. After 20 minutes, I added shoe polish. After another 20 minutes, I added more mod. And I did this until I got my desired look. And as you can see, this is the before. Just so much wear and tear, cat scratches, and it just was horrible. I knew I had to bring this thing back to life. This is also the before of the top of the chair. As you can see, this was the worst part. This is the after. So I was so amazed with the results of this technique. When I tell you, it was like I literally was like doing an experiment with this stuff, and it was very successful. I'm very pleased with these results. I will put in the description box below all the stuff that I used. And until next time, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And shalom.